information is coming in. I don't know what it is. I don't know what to do with it. So I said, don't worry about it. They said it'll be there when you need it. And it'll help you in the future. All of a sudden, it'll be like waking up, and we'll have it for the moving into this next part. And believe me, it's not mind control. It is not negative. It's positive information because they want to help our world. So often when you have a sighting and you don't think anything else has happened, that's all it needs. And there's other cases where they have the screen memories, as we call them, where they don't see an alien per se. They will see owls are big favorites. You will see owls, or you will see animals acting in strange ways. Whitley Strieber calls them screen memories. I call them overlays. It's the same thing. It's not really what is there. There is more behind it. And these is the same way. Get your attention, but don't frighten the person, but get their attention. So